Hello everybody, lovely to see you. Tonight I'm just going to explain a little bit about the patches. Some people are a little bit confused as to, they think there's only one patch, but there's not. The one that we are discussing mainly at the moment is the X39, which is the patch that activates and regenerates your own dormant stem cells, so that when you have more, your stem cells are reactivated, they can go into your body and repair and heal damaged tissues or any illnesses that you may have. But I want to just explain to you that we do have other patches. Some of them are Silent Nights, which is for sleeping, it creates melatonin. Aeon, which is for inflammation. Carnosine, I use at the gym, I love it, it's for the muscles, it's also good for the heart. Glutathione is a detoxifier, it also removes heavy metals from the body. SP6 is the for the spleen and also for your any of your organs and your hormones. It's wonderful. And the energy enhancer, the LifeWave is another one which is great for pain, and also the energy enhancer. Just briefly, the energy enhancer was the first patch that David developed. He was contracted by David Schmidt. He was contracted by the US Army the US government to make a patch for the Navy SEALs, the US Navy SEALs, for when they go out on missions, maybe 4 days or whatever, and they needed to stay awake and energised. And instead of doping themselves up with caffeine and medications and sometimes amphetamines, this was a safer, non-invasive way, and this is what he developed. It was extremely successful. And then after this, it was used then by the US swimming team in the Olympic Games in at Rome, and that was the time when Phelps was around, and the team was able to break many records and have personal bests. It was very interesting to note that they would not have been able to use this at the Olympic Games if it was an invasive patch, one like caffeine that puts caffeine in your body, or it's not that, and in fact it was passed by the Olympic standards team as a that it was not a prohibited substance, and they were able to use it. Today, many athletes use these energy enhancers to enhance their performance. We've got football players, rugby players, basketball players, and even if I just want to go for a long walk now, I'm using it. So these patches are there to supplement your journey. Then they also started the journey for David, and it was from making these other patches that he's recently, or in the last few years, developed this X39 patch, which activates the stem cells, which has a different purpose again. But this is the one that's proving to be very effective and is the most popular patch. So I just wanted to explain that so that people have an understanding why are there so many patches. Do I have to be on all these patches? No, you don't. It's recommended that you just need to be on X39 if your purpose is just to feel better, reactivate a more youthful, all your stem cells right back to a youthful state. That's my purpose, and that's. But I've had the benefit now that I've been on it for a while that I've decided to. I also want to add a few other patches because I'm wanting to move along more quickly. You sort of get a little bit, I just want to get better much faster now. I can see it, but it is also a money factor as well. And so don't be thinking that you can't heal unless you buy all these patches. No, many people, and probably the majority of people, just use X39 in their journey. Okay, so there is some, you'll see myself, I'm going to put up on here on my Facebook community group page some protocols. So if someone has a specific thing that they want healed, and the stem cells are not healing that thing is quick enough, that is often when it's used. So for me, with my peripheral neuropathy, I just want to get it finished, and so I'm so close, but the stem cells that I've activated want to go off and fix other things. They want to fix inflammation, they want to fix my liver, they want to fix maybe a little bit of work on the heart. I've felt that as well. And so just because of that, they've developed protocols using the other patches to keep making sure that a specific illness is helped, and you can focus on that to heal as well as activating the stem cells. So I'll just be putting up a few. The one that I've got now, it was referred to the other day, was for weight loss. There's another one which I'm hoping to use very soon. I'm just not ready to start that one yet. I want to continue with just getting my X39 stem cells up. But one that I will be doing later on is to rebuild the cartilage in between the knees, because I'm bone on bone. I can't say, I'm not a doctor. I'm only speaking from experience and from the testimonials of others in all this work that I do. And testimonials, there has been many instances where that cartilage has been regrown. So I'm going to post that one up too in the next few days. You can see that. So don't be confused. The main one you need, if you've just got enough money to buy one set of patches, is the X39. You need to stay on that. I would suggest that you start on it for 3 months, see how you go, and then you need to stay on it for 1 month for every 10 years of your life. But yeah, so that's the story there. Okay. God bless you all. Bye.